now if you've traveled with me or journeyed with me through my last videos, we have created a thesis statement task card template, just one slide, that's all you need. And we've also worked with ChatGPT and our needs as a classroom teacher to develop 36 tasks on thesis statements to give my students that extra practice. So now here's the name of the game. I got to get all this data, all these tasks and everything that we've generated, the content, and I've got to get it here so that I can deliver the goodness, the greatness to my students. This is the easiest part. Here's what I'm going to do. I already have my placeholders. I have 3 columns in my spreadsheet. I have my number, placeholder, this placeholder, this placeholder, and we've already made sure that it's going to work. So I'm going to go down here to apps, and for the first time using this, see my bulk create is right here, but you may need to search bulk, create. And again, it's this very simple Canva app right here, nothing fancy, and I'm going to click on it. Now there's 2 ways to add your data, okay? You can enter data manually or upload it. So I'm going to go here since I have that very, very accessible download right here, thesis statement, CSV. I always go to downloads. I live in my downloads folder because it's everything that is the most recent. Open it up. Okay, and it has already found this. Now it says no data fields added. Because we haven't added any to this. So I'm going to start with my numbers. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that I click on this. And now you'll see on this toolbar, connect data. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to go down to task number. That's why we label our columns, or chat did for us. So, and then directions for the task, I'm going to click on the placeholder underneath the directions title, and I'm going to connect the data, directions for the task. And now I'm going to go to this placeholder, connect data, and the task. Okay? And that is all you have to do. Once I press this continue button, I am one step closer to having my entire set of task cards generated. It's going to make sure that I want to generate 36 task cards, and yes, I do. Are you ready to see it happen? The cool thing is it creates a new document or project, a new file, so that now we have our full set, but we still have our untouched template that we can use for next time. Look at how beautifully these came out. Now look at, we got close on the spacing with the directions. If you don't like that, you can always go back and take this, move it down, and you just have to press regenerate. It's going to make a whole new set for you. So let's go back and see if there are any more issues. So our 1 is fine. And along the bottom, you can see all of our different task cards. Yeah, that would bother me if I was making these for my classroom. Okay, especially because some of the tasks are so short. And I would thumb through them to make sure the formatting is perfect on all of them. Because if I print them, then I'm probably going to laminate them. And I don't want to laminate mistakes or things that make kids ask questions. So yeah, the numbers worked out well. Look at how beautiful those are. If I go here, see a different view. Boom. And again, these are on 8.5 by 11s. So if you need a quick activity to get your kids up and moving, but still practicing these important standards and skills, you could print out, 6 of these pages by going here to share, download, and they'll download to a PDF, and you can just print it like normal and post them up around the room. Throw these kids into groups and have them work together to complete the task. That's all for now. That is how you use Canva's bulk. Now I'm going to get the name wrong. Here we go. The Bulk Create app to take all of your ChatGPT content and get it into your template. Show me when you're on social media.